Hello YouTube, what's going on guys? Today we're making a tutorial about TikTok. As you know, TikTok got banned in the United States and I'm gonna show you some features now guys, because as you can see I still have TikTok here on my phone, but actually in States it's already banned. If you check in the App Store, you're not gonna find the app guys. So let's make a search. So let's prove everything and then I'm gonna show you all the steps guys. Okay, so here as you can see you cannot find any more TikTok in the App Store and as well in Play Store for Android. So what you have to do guys, you just need to follow this tutorial, share with your friends guys who likes to use still TikTok. And as you can see the app is working for me, so I'm just going to open it so you can see it by yourself. And this is not a fake app guys, this is a real app. As you can see I can use open, reopen, remove everything. It works totally fine. Okay, so in order to keep using it this guys, you just need to follow a few things in the settings. So just follow me until the end. All right, so just go to the settings guys, and you need to scroll it down till to App Store, and here it is. And then you just need to here where is automatic downloads, make sure that all these options here, 3 of them, to be on. If you're gonna have any one of them off, make sure guys you turn it on, all of them, so it allows automatic downloads in your device. All right, the next thing you need to do, you have to go to your battery. And a lot of people like to use lower power mode. So if you're gonna use lower power mode guys, it means that if you go back to the App Store, you're gonna disable automatic downloads. All right, so let me show you. As you can see, they get disabled. So first you need to turn off the lower power mode guys before you start this process. All right, and then you have to go again to App Store and then to check these 3 options to be available, to be on. Okay, this step is required just if you are using an iOS device. If you're using Android device, you don't have to do anything in the settings. Okay, you just have to go straight to your internet browser. You can use Safari, you can use Google, whatever you like to use guys. Just go and type in the searching bar this option, find APK mods, and it's going to pop up here, the first one guys. So just press on it. You're gonna find a lot of other things interesting in this App Store here. So I'm just gonna use the searching bar immediately guys, not to make the video too long. Just type the name of the app, TikTok, and then I just need to press on it guys in the middle, and then you have the install button as you can see right over here. So basically you just need to continue guys the rest of the steps, and you're gonna be able to get again the app and use it as you can see. So this is it guys, I hope it was helpful and useful. Before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.